Hey guys, it's Chris here, and I'm here to show you Wilson and I's Minesweeper game we made for Java in Brochus's class. I'll give you a quick show of what it looks like. So we do small and easy. So you left click to reveal a square, and you right click to flag a square you think is a bomb. So one of these three are probably a bomb. I'm gonna hope I get lucky. Oh, lucky there. And you just kind of keep going until you hit a bomb, which not usually this lucky. Hold up, let's see how long I can go here quickly. So I'm gonna assume that's a bomb. That's gonna be a bomb. Okay, that was a bomb too. So you lose, and if you really want to get back into it, you type in yes. Sometimes it jacks up. That needs to be probably fixed. But then you can just get right back into it. If you lose again and you're just done with it, you hit no and you're back out. So how does this work? We have our win and lose and play again in the main. In the game options, this is where you decide what level you want to pick. We only got to easy and a 9x9 grid. So you get to there, it sends you to our easy class, and this is where all the magic happens. So we have our GUI that pops up once you enter this class. And here we go. This is a quick rundown of our game. We have the space between each square. We have our surrounding, which is works with our numbers later. Then we have our timer class here with our if statement. Here we have our arrays, which make our grid. Here is our x and y coordinates, which tracks if you click a square or not. We'll see that later. Here's our actual GUI creation, the title, the size, if it's visible, and proper closing. This is our timer and the delay it has. Here is one of many for loops we have in our system. We have our if statement, which is this is for randomizing where bombs are placed, and you get a 25% chance of a bomb being there. If it is, mines becomes 1, and if not, it just stays at 0. This is also where we set our revealed and flag classes as false. We have our quadruple for loop here for our surrounding. This helps us figure out where bombs are. This was a pain in the butt to figure out, and I don't really want to go too much into it. This adds up to store in the array. And here we have our field, we have our movement, and we have our clicks. These are the three main classes that kind of make up the program. Here's our field class. A lot of creating of the GUI and what it does. Our flags are green, our revealed's white, our mines are red, and you also lose if you hit a mine. This is part of our timer. This is a big if statement because it helps put zeros whenever. I could probably figure out a more cleaner way of doing this, but with time management, it gets the job done. Down here, this is the creation of our grid, like our little squares. This is the revealed for numbers, puts the numbers right in the center of each grid with that coordinate. This is our win condition. If it counts the amount of white squares we have and the amount of mines that there are, and if it equals it, you should get to the win screen. It's gonna be hard for me to get here in this video, so you can do it yourself. Here we got our visibility. This is like a refresh. If not, if this wasn't here, it wouldn't read your clicks, and that's just no fun. Here we got our coordinates, x and y. This helps with mouse clicking later. So right down here, it shows if you clicked in the square or not, and it returns our I and j values, which for clicking here, if you click inside a square, it reveals as true. will create it white, and here it will equal true. Button 3 is our right click, button 1 is our left click. This is something to deal with our surroundings, numbers. Is a lot to deal with. Yeah, this deals with the surrounding numbers. And this is for our win condition. And that's kind of the bulk of our program. Wilson hopefully would be a better candidate of explaining what all this is, so I'll let him do this as time permits. Hopefully you enjoy our Minesweeper game, and talk to you later.